All right guys, today in this video I want to talk about how you can combine, how you can use mobile mechanic in order to progress and get more clients for your shop. I've done it before. I've done it for many years, 3 years in other shop that I have, and in this shop still doing it. I posted a video, I said I quit mobile mechanic. I quit mobile mechanic, but still I have mechanics I send out to fix people's car. In fact, we had customer today, we had 2 customers yesterday. They had no start diagnostic, battery replacement, wheel bearing replacement. I send the mechanic, they inspect the car, we charge. There's another thing, why you should have diagnostic fee. Listen, I try to do my best to do the job right. Always tell us, hey, it's expensive. Why? I charge $90 for diagnostic, $90. And I pay half of it to mechanic. Half of it, or most of like 60% or 70% to mechanic. Why? Because they drive. They have to pay for insurance. They have to put gas in their car. They have to eat, distance, traffic, hustling, everything. I have a mechanic. It depends on their experience. One is good. I pay like $60 or $70 or sometimes even $80. I don't care. I'm not looking to make a profit from diagnostic fee, but I don't want to do it for free. Why? I have to pay a mechanic, so they take their time and drive their check car, and they are responsible. When I pay them for diagnostic and they check the car, or they tell the customer, hey, this is the problem, we order the parts, we do it, and the car gets fixed most of the time. If it's not, they are responsible. They have to refund the money, or they have to stay there and fix the car. That's one thing. It just gives you more reason to work on car. But what if you do it for free? You don't want to do it. If it's something happened and you couldn't figure it out, okay, bye. You didn't pay me any penny, and I don't owe you anything. You don't owe me anything. I just waste my time, and I don't want to waste it more. Just I'm gone. I go for other car. This is the main reason I charge diagnostic fee. Okay, and always I don't pay anything back, because I used to do that. I used to charge $90 for diagnostic, and I used to reimburse $45 from that diagnostic fee toward the repair cost. But I stopped doing it. Why? Because I have to pay 50%, up to 70 or 80% of that money to a mechanic. Nothing left, so I can reimburse it, and I didn't have any problem. Customers are happy. All right, how you can use it for your benefit, how you can get more clients. I'm gonna give you an example, okay? We got the customer, he had a Nissan Sentra. She called, she said, hey, my car is jerking, the check engine is flashing, can send someone to look at the car. I said, okay, $90 diagnostic, are you okay? We sent the mechanic, they did the diagnostic, they said, okay, something wrong with the engine or transmission, whatever, they need to tow it to the shop, or they can drive it to the shop. They drop it off here, we checked the car, we fixed it. It cost, I think we charged the customer around $800, and that's benefit plus $90. And if we send the mechanic out to do the inspection and the car comes to the shop, yes, we will reimburse money. We will reimburse all of the money for diagnostic they paid, because they bring the car to the shop. Regardless if I pay for a mechanic to go outside, I'll pay that from my pocket. This is the rules that I set. I don't want to break it. It's beneficial. This is encouraging the customer when they bring the car to the customer. And if I say no, I don't want to pay you any money back, they may say, okay, I want to think about it. I'll take it to the closest shop around my area that I live, and that's not good. I don't want to lose customers. And that way you can have more customers. I know you may be start right now as a mobile mechanic, you just solo, you work by yourself, and you're just getting clients one by one. But just think about 5 years later, 6 years later, when you have a shop, or if you have a shop right now and you don't have anybody as a mobile mechanic. What if you just advertise, hey, we do mobile service? Do you know big companies like Ford, Tesla, Mercedes? Those companies, they have a mobile service. They send someone outside to the customer's house to fix it, and it's just start by Tesla mobile service. I don't know, have you ever seen their car outside? It's very cool design. You know, they took the back seat off, they put the toolbox, big toolbox, and they do a lot of recalls, they do a lot of battery replacement, they do a lot of stuff outside at the customer's house, and it's convenience, it's cheaper, it's easier for customers. And that way, if something bigger needed, hey, bring it to dealer, we will take care of it there. And they are agreed to bring it. That way you can create the relationship with the clients. You don't have any problem in later if you ask them, hey, bring the car to the shop. They should be fine. That's the main reason I'm keep doing mobile mechanic. I don't advertise it because I have enough customers. I have enough people they are asking me for mobile mechanic service. My name is everywhere. I heard someone called me and said, hey, I found your number on Reddit. I've never advertised, I've never posted anything on Reddit. I barely post anything on my Facebook page. I have like 10 followers on my Facebook page, business page. I don't do it. I don't need it. Right now I'm built the reputation already. I have enough customers, but still they keep calling me, and I get a lot of referrals, people calling me, and I don't want to lose that. It's not good. It's just I want to keep doing it. I don't want to lose it. And when they call me, hey, do you have a mobile mechanic? And it depends on the range, the distance. If it's too far, like 40 miles, I don't do it like before. I can't send someone 40 miles away unless my mechanic lives there or in their radius, service area radius. It's happened. I have a mechanic in different city, different state, different city that they work in their own area and territory, and they are willing to do that. That's fine. If you are just starting mobile mechanic, I highly encourage you, set the diagnostic fee for yourself, charge diagnostic fee. Don't go high as I'm doing right now. I charge $90. Do it 50 bucks, 40 bucks, 60 bucks, but charge something. That way you can build your relationship. You don't waste your time going out, and then feeling sorry about yourself. Oh, I wasted all the time for all the money for gas and stuff, and I'm not making any money. And you be regret. You get exhausted because people sometimes they take advantage from you. Be honest. Second, start building your relationship with the clients and think about the future. You may have a shop in the future, or you already have a shop. Build someone. Ask one of your mechanics, hey, are you willing to go outside someone? If someone call, I'll pay you this much amount. If you don't know how much to pay him, I used to pay $45 per technician for every hour job. An hour job coming from ProDemand, for example, wheel bearing replacement, 2 hours. Okay, I'll pay you $90 and I charge the customer whatever amount we talk. And that's very fair for a mechanic. They use their car, gas, food outside. If you're a mechanic working and doing this during work hours, pay him something extra. Tell him, hey, you leave and you go and inspect the car, I'll pay you for gas, or have a company car. I have my own truck outside with the tools, everything in the back. Anytime customer call, hey, use my truck. Don't use your car. Go with my car, take care of it, do whatever you need. If you need any tools, just put it in behind the truck, take it, and when you're done, just bring it back. That's what my mechanic does. Go change a battery, change a starter, change alternator, change a wheel bearing during the work hours, and he will come back. If I send someone from outside, those mechanics, they work independently, I pay them hourly, 45, 50, 60, depends on their experience. All right, guys, this is all for today. I hope it was helpful. This is how I use mobile mechanic to grow my own shop business, to have more clients here, and keep the relationship going. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye.